guys, I'm fair but I'm firm. Touch him up. What's it?
Ron, nakakatuwa na si Mark Milligan kontra ang kalaban mula sa Mexico, si Gabriel Martinez. Non-title fight, but nevertheless, napaka-importanteng laban para kay Milligan para may pakita na he's ready for bigger fights.
Oh, he's rushing him early. Iba talaga yung estilo ni Milligan. Sabi niya, yung umpisa na yan. Pasok ng pasok, sugod ng sugod. Kasi yung problema ni Milligan, wala siyang killer instinct, but not now. He apparently is really great physical strength.
Well, nag-training siya sa Cebu, no, with the Alas Cable ng isang buwan. Tapos, okay, Milligan on the attack, he's going for it. Gusto niya kasi maging impressive, Ronnie, lalo na sa tapang promotions para bigyan siya ng mas malalaking laban. At nung nag-training siya dito sa Mayweather Gym, no? That's right. The last time he fought, he beat Vladimir Hernandez. Yeah.
Oh, good right hand, good counter right by Milligan. He drops his right hand over the southpaw, but he goes inside and reaches with the left. Pero, good clash of heads there.
Watch your head.
Watch your head, sabi ni Joe Cortez.
Maganda ito, Ronnie, sa Philippines versus Mexico. Parang warm-up para sa laban mamaya ni Donaire at Montiel. Of course, that's Philippines versus Mexico.
He's back up for a left hook of Martinez.
So,
Right.